Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create array in Typescript. So let's understand we have this let keyword. With the let keyword, suppose I say data, then here if I specify a value like that, you see, and I say console.log and data, I just save this and automatically detect and there is no error, and now I can run the command node array.js. So we have this array. So that is the first way as we do in JavaScript also. Remember that it's a number type because all the number we are entering, so it's a number type. Now we may have another, we say value, and I say value is of number type, and we specify the array notation, and then we pass here the value of the array like this. And now I just type this, save this, and I try to run it. Again we have the same. So this is the one way. Second way, the third way, we say let, and I say numbers, then I say array, and under this notation I pass it's a number type, and then I can pass the value in array like this, same, and I just use console.log to display this numbers. Save this, and again I try to compile, run. You see, all are same. So first way, second way, third way. Now if I want to insert more value, yes, I can insert data.push, and we can insert any value which we want. You see, I insert here 100, so I compile it, we have 100 here. Same, I can push in this number also or value also, so I say value dot push and I say 200, save this, and likewise I can run, we have 200 also. If I want to insert here some other type of value, I say Dr. Vipin channel, can I do? No, because it's a number, but I can change it to any type. If I want to do this, you see, save this, and again I compile, so I run this, and you see we have the output like this. So we have any type, we have number type, we have string also. Now one more way that we can declare that array. So how we can declare? If I say, if I want to declare a read-only array, means we don't want to insert a new value, as I did here. You see, I did the add the 200, and here also. So what I have to do, I have to write here read-only. You see, here we are getting an error. Why? Because this syntax is not valid for read-only. Only this syntax is valid, and here I have to specify the read-only and save it. So only this kind of syntax I can specify a array as a read-only. So you see, now push is not possible because it's a read-only, so I have to remove this. So like this way you can create a read-only array also, in which you can't insert a new value. So like that way we can declare the array in Typescript. I think you understand it. If you understand, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.